Have you been in the middle of streaming a movie or attending an important video call when your internet slows to a crawl? We've all been there. It's frustrating, but did you know the fix could be as simple as rebooting your modem and router? Rebooting your modem and router might seem minor, but it's crucial for keeping your internet running smoothly. Rebooting does not need to be performed on a regular basis, but should be the first thing to try if you are having problems. Just like your smartphone or computer, modems and routers build up temporary glitches over time. Rebooting clears out cache and errors, restoring performance. Your modem and router form the handshake between your home and your internet provider. Over time, things can become out of sync, causing performance issues. Rebooting reconnects everything, giving you a stronger signal. Many routers receive automatic firmware updates to stay secure and performant, but these don't take effect until you reboot. Rebooting is easy if you follow these simple steps. Unplug your modem and router from the power source. If there's a power button, press and hold it to power down completely. Make sure you do not press the reset button. If you are not sure which is which, it is always better to disconnect the power instead. Wait at least 30 seconds to 1 minute for the devices to fully power down. Plug both devices back in and press the power button if needed. Wait for all the indicator lights to stabilize. This can take a few minutes. Test your internet on a device to ensure everything is working. That's it! A quick reboot can often work wonders. If you have further issues or questions, we are just a call or click away at 844-354-4111 or via chat at nuvera.net.